Hello my paper crafting friend, and welcome to this Easter edition of Paper and Joy. So the card we are making to help you celebrate Easter is this one. So it's got some layered features this month and a beautiful filigree egg. Alright, let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your cards you will receive your card base with the envelope, your card embellishments. So we've got two of the panel pieces and this decorative egg, and also your sentiment piece. And you'll also need a scrap piece of paper and a glue stick. All right, let's get crafting. Okay, the first thing we need to do is grab your card base and actually open it up. So it's much easier to glue when it's flat and not sort of bendy and popping up all the time. All right, so we've got our card base there. The first piece that we are going to put on is the larger of the panel pieces. So you'll grab your glue stick as well, and your scrap paper, of course, and then we'll glue. We're just going to glue the edge, but I do want a good amount of glue on the edge so that we don't have any peeling up bits. So nice few rounds of glue. Alright, and then we're going to work quickly. It's a fairly warm day here today as I'm filming, so this glue tends to dry quite quickly. So it's going to line up with this right edge, and there we go. And then you sort of want a similar type of gap, top and bottom. And I can see this little corner is peeling up, so just gonna pop a bit of extra glue that already dried. Very warm day today. The joys of crafting in all weathers. All right, so grab your second panel piece, which is a smaller piece, and that's going to go on the top here. And your glue stick again. Nice amount of glue. And again on the right hand edge. And again we're going to try to get the same gap sort of in between for the bigger panel pieces. So we want sort of the same sort of gap there so that it's sort of centered. All right. And now if you can get your beautiful egg piece. Now there is a front and a back. This is being cut on a piece of paper called hammer embossed. Let's see if I can, don't know if you can get. So one side there are little indentations, like someone's just gone and tapped it with a hammer. On the back side you can also see the cut's a little bit different. It does look like the back of the paper, but it's more flat and smooth. So try to find the embossed side. We're going to have that facing up, and we're going to glue on the flat back edge. All right, again with your glue stick, this is going to sit in the middle of this smaller panel, again with the right edge. We're going to sort of put some glue in these larger non-cut bits. And again, if it's warm where you are, whilst you are doing this, working reasonably quickly so glue doesn't dry. It's the only annoying thing about working with a glue stick. Alright, so we're going to line our egg up, again looking at having a similar spacing in the top and the bottom sections of that panel. And nice press. Alright, now the final piece for the card is our sentiment. That's going to go in the middle there. Again, everything's right justified on this card this time. All right, now what we're going to do is, the important bit for this card is just to have this angled piece quite well glued, because it's coming off a thick base and then it sort of pops down. So we really want this edge to stick. So if you're concentrating on putting your glue, make sure you glue on that piece of the cardboard. So that is where I will finish my glue application. Make sure that that's the wettest and the stickiest. And that is also where I'll press the most. So again, we've justified it to this edge, the right edge, and just sort of in the middle of that egg. And there we have our Easter card for this year. So I hope you had fun making that. It's nice and sort of got those beautiful pastels that are popular at Easter time. So those spring, new life, soft colours. So I hope you enjoyed making that. Hope you have a happy Easter, and I will see you next time.